Hello everyone, this is David from DIY Games. That is TJ. Cat won't get out of the camera. But anyway, what it is, I decided to go ahead and make a little scroll saw project for the kids to decorate. They were using paint and they were distracted, playing more than anything. The paint was running everywhere. But basically what it is you have two sections of the tree, as you can see from here on the bottom. What it is one of them has the width of the wood removed right here in the middle, so that this one can slide up between, and then here on top, as you can see, this one has a slit down the center so that this one can slide down it. So basically what you do is you draw two trees, and there they cut them out on a scroll saw. And there for this one right here, I made a slit the width of the wood all the way down to right about here. Then after that, on the other piece, I made the slit from the bottom coming up equal distance on the width of the wood again. That way whenever you slide one over the top, it will actually connect and form this little tree. It's something real quick. Didn't take long to make, as you can imagine, but what it was, the girls were actually decorating some cookies and made a comment about how they wish they could keep the cookies until Christmas and this, that, and the other. Well, I decided to just come out here real quick and draw the design and cut it out on a scroll saw. It didn't take long at all to do. Of course, this same exact concept you could do with pretty much any kind of an idea. You could do it with a star, because again, all you have to do is draw the same design twice, cut from the top to about the middle on one piece, and on the second one cut from the bottom to the middle, and then just slide the two pieces together. That's pretty much all there is to it. It's a real simple project. You could do it with trees, you could do it with, say, a snowman, Santa Claus, a star. I mean, pretty much anything you can think of. Just as long as you cut from the top to the middle on one piece, and then cut from the bottom to the middle on the other piece, slide the two of them together, and there you go. You have whatever it is that you were thinking. Now I did go ahead and make two of these. I made one for my daughter, and I made one for my daughter's friend, and they were living the dream. Granted, it was like 2 in the morning. The girls actually paint a whole lot better than this, but I think they were playing more than anything, and the paint was running, and they were probably already kind of over the idea of decorating by that point, because they did like 8 cookies, I think it was, or something along those lines. Well, anyway, they loved it, so that's pretty much all that matters. And again, I was able to do the cut with just Old Faithful here. This is my Harbor Freight scroll saw. I ended up getting this, I think it was about 3 years ago. My wife got it for me for a birthday present. And normally Harbor Freight has them on sale for like $70. But after discounts and an additional sale, I think she was able to pick it up for, I think, like $40 or $45. So, and I've made a lot of cuts on here, so it has definitely paid off in the long run as far as being able to do different kind of projects. But anyway, like I said, this wasn't anything that was super time consuming. It's a real quick project. But anyway, if you have any other ideas, I'm probably going to end up making some more projects, some more scroll saw projects for the Christmas holidays, just put on the table, things like that. Maybe some Christmas ornaments. I thought about drilling a hole that way to be able to hang it on a tree, but my wife and daughter, they both said they actually like the idea of just sitting on the table just like that, so I guess that's what I'll end up with. But anyway, like I said, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you again.